I will show you how I got out of the financial rat race through property investment and how you can benefit from my experience, so stay tuned. My passion is to help you create a living legacy with property by making your money work hard for you. And as a former banker, I'm on a mission to help you grow financial freedom by blending money with meaning, profit with purpose, and street smart with heart. So if you're new here, consider subscribing so that you can maximize your learning experience. And don't forget to like, share, and comment below. Most people worry about not having enough return on their investment. Well, what I do is to help you have peace of mind by helping you start investing on purpose and structure deals with the future in mind so that you can treat your property investment portfolio like a vending machine where the result and the value generated are predictable rather than like a slot machine where the results generated are random and the odds are stacked against you. In fact, I come from a place where I had no success with money, and no matter how hard I tried, it felt like a drag. To now, being able to own over 70 rental apartments in a period of 10 years and being able to successfully build my businesses from scratch. So, I know from first-hand experience how it feels like being under financial pressure. That's the place I come from, and I'm here now to help you leapfrog to financial freedom by using the tactics and the strategies that I used. And that's not all. I'm also here to help you to become accountable to your loved ones. So the question is, why should you listen to me or let alone book a class with me? I'm not a leader in growing people's money or legacies, but I'm definitely the guy who has purchased 70 rental apartments over a period of 10 years and has successfully helped many clients at least double their income in a year. I'm the guy you want to do business with. I can only speak from my experience and the amazing results I've seen in the lives of my students. I know I may be biased, but when it comes to money, this may be the most important course or class you may ever take. I understand that's a bold statement, but the fact is, my classes provide the missing link between your desire for success and your achievement of success. Warning, don't watch my videos or book me if you hate money. Because if you book me, I will teach you how to generate 6 income streams from a single investment property, being how to grow your rental income, how to increase your property capital appreciation, how to profit by leveraging to invest with your property, how to use your property to profit from inflation, how to create a profitable legacy for generations with your property, and how to reclaim your hard-earned cash from the taxman. And you know, most people worry about spending too much and earning too little because the taxman took more than 50% of their money. At Property Ask Echo Masterclass, we will teach you how to reclaim your hard-earned cash from the greedy taxman through your investment property. In fact, this is one of the major reasons why I started investing in properties. From my own experience, it is proven that literally the taxman will pay you to go into partnership with you. And I will teach you exactly how to do that. And that's not all. By taking our masterclass, you will also achieve the following benefits. You will have peace of mind. You will understand the value of money and increase your financial IQ. You will know how to structure profitable deals. You will ensure a future income. You will increase your ability to earn. You will increase your business acumen. And you will enhance your negotiation skills. I believe that it's okay to work for someone. I mean, think about it. We all work for somebody. But I also believe that it's not okay to work for money. Money is always eager and ready to work for someone who is ready to employ it. So, by subscribing to my channel and by taking the masterclass with us, I will teach you how to employ money and make it work for you, just like what I've done for myself, and help you create your living legacy. Book your free 30-minute consultation today on our Facebook page, Property Ask Echo. The time is now, and I'm pumped to see you grow with property in association with Property Ask Echo.